In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Suno app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you are encountering any challenge while trying to install Suno AI Music and Song Maker app, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix these challenges. In the first method, just go to your Google Play Store app here and just open Google Play Store. Make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account before you try to install this app. However, if you are not able to install the app while logged in, then head to the icon here and tap on Settings, and under Settings go to Network Preferences. Under Network Preferences, look for this app download preference, and you can see currently it is set to over Wi-Fi only. You need to change this to over any network, so choose the first option, and this will ensure you can download your apps via the current network you are connected to. To save, just tap on OK, and now try to install your apps. However, if at this point you can't still download and install your apps, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, you need to go to Google Play Store app info page, and you can access this by just long pressing on your Google Play Store app, and you should see app info. If you tap on app info, now you'll have access to Google Play Store app info page. At this point, we want to stop all background activities that might be running on this app, and this might be one of the reasons you can't install or download apps. To do so, just go to force stop and then OK down below. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache, and finally OK. Once this is done, now you'll need to restart your smartphone, and now open your Google Play Store app, and now let's try and search our Suno AI app. So I'll search for Suno like that, and if I run my search, so I'll try to run the installation, and now look at that, I'm able to download and install Suno AI Music app on my smartphone. However, at this point, if you still have a challenge installing the app, then you might want to free up space on your smartphone if the space is the issue. You can do this by deleting unwanted apps or even files that you no longer need. So that's how you can fix can't install Suno AI Music and Song Maker app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.